Hello, I'm Adam W. and I love the 3 F's, friends, family, and Photoshop. That's why I started my own show called Real or Surreal, presented by Adobe. Today I have one of my dear friends that I actually don't like that much to see whether a photo is real or one of my sick Photoshop edits. Welcome.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
What, okay.
Wait, fist bump?
Yeah, I had
Stick shift.
Yeah.
No.
Stop. Get off me. Okay. We like to start off each episode with some rapid fire facts.
Okay.
She acted on a TV show about a girl and her talking dog where she played the dog. It says here you lost your 3rd grade spelling bee on the word cat. That's so embarrassing.
No, I didn't do that.
That's embarrassing.
I didn't do that.
She's currently stealing passwords for 4 different streaming sites.
I don't do that. Okay,
Yeah,
I might do that.
She's using some of my accounts.
do that one.
Okay. Well, before we get started, let's take care of some paperwork.
Paperwork?
Yeah.
Why
If
would
you
I
could
need...
just sign there at the
Where
bottom.
did you come from?
Yeah, just sign at the bottom.
Do I have? Can I read it?
No.
Okay. Well, apparently I don't know how to read, so.
Yeah, it wouldn't help you anyways.
Oh, she's back.
Okay.
Great.
Yeah. So basically, what you just agreed to is that if you lose and answer wrong, you will have to change my cat litter.
You don't even have a cat.
Yeah, I'm watching a cat for a friend, and you signed it, so legally you have to.
I'm allergic.
Yeah. Well, that's something you're gonna have. You should have read that. You should have known that.
You didn't let me read it.
Let's bring out the hot seat.
Hot seat? What is a hot seat? Oh, okay.
Well, it's just a heating pad.
She's back. Okay. This is kind of nice. What are those?
Yeah, they're heating lamps. Just give them a sec. They take a sec to get
I
going.
didn't put on deodorant this morning.
Yeah, well, that's your problem. Your time begins now.
There's a timer? Oh my God.
Okay, so one of these photos I'm actually surfing, and the other one is a photo that I edited on Adobe Photoshop.
Okay, well, in this one, you're in a suit, and your suit's like perfectly dry, so that doesn't make any sense.
Well,
Like,
no, I could have dried it off.
how?
I have a towel on me.
Oh, okay. And then the other one, I don't know though. I don't think you could actually surf like that.
How do you know?
Well, crap, I don't know. Now I'm like second guessing everything, Adam.
No, I took surfing lessons.
Oh my God, okay, now it's flashing. Okay, but the one on the left, I really can't tell, man.
Time.
The fake one is the one of you in the suit.
You're sure?
Yeah, but I don't think that you did the Photoshop.
Yeah, I did, so. But that's your answer? That's your final answer?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Well, she is wrong. Yeah.
How'd you get a dry suit in the ocean,
I
Adam?
never actually even went in the water. I floated on the surfboard the whole time. I never fell in. Look, watch, I'll show you. Here's the footage. Yeah, you see?
Dang, that's impressive.
Yeah, I actually almost went down a couple times. But
I didn't know you were that
I have
agile.
impeccable balance. So.
Wow, ballet?
17 years of ballet.
Really?
17
How
years.
did you do that?
I'll show you how I did it. Laptop!
Oh, they're back there. Okay, wow.
All right, so basically, this one was super fun to shoot. I actually suck at water sports, so it was pretty cool to be able to manipulate myself to look like a cool-ass surfer. So for anyone out there that wants to dupe themselves into skits they can't do, stick around for this tutorial. All right, so real quick, something I want to mention that isn't necessarily Photoshop specific is that Adobe stock library is incredible. You can download photos, videos, sounds, animations, literally anything you need. So check that out when you have a chance. And that's actually what I used for this photo. I found this dope surfing shot from Adobe stock and removed the actor that was in the stock footage with the content aware. Separately, I then shot myself in a studio pretending to surf. So we had the same exact position. So in that image, we removed the background of the studio shot with a mask. Then I basically merged the photos, so I just added my body to the surfing stock photo. Okay, really quickly, to blend your photos nicely, adjust your image colors to match the backgrounds. So we could do this by adjusting the curves. Okay, so using the content aware move, we shifted some of the waves and the water to collide with me to make it seem a bit more realistic. To help you even more, we use the burn dodge brush tool to control exposure on selected areas and make areas of the photo darker or lighter. And that's it. Anyone can do it.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Wow, you actually did do it.
Yeah, good times. Well, that photo might have been surreal, but I'll tell you what's real. The fun I get to have when I punish my friends. Speaking of which, it's time for you to actually change my cat litter.
Oh, we didn't forget about that.
Yeah,
I
no.
thought
Yeah,
that
right
was a
there.
joke. Okay.
It's-
Oh my God, why is there actual poop in there?
Yeah, it's been about 2 months.
Adam, this is gross.
Yeah, well, you signed the contract, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it like legally binding?
Yeah, it is. It is.
It smells
Okay.
really bad.
All right, thanks for joining us on Real or Surreal. We'll see you next time.
Oh, it smells.
Make sure there's a lot of pieces at the bottom as well.
Yeah, here, why don't you
No,
help
I don't
me?
want, no, get that away from me.
You want-
Get that away from me. Today, I got one of my closest friends that I actually just met. and he's gonna guess whether a photo is real or surreal. Let's get into it. What's up, man?
Let's get right in.
Yeah. Okay, get off me. Get off me. Sit down. Sit down. Stay there. Don't move, because your time begins now. One of these photos is real, and the other is surreal.
And I have to guess between which one. Okay.
Yeah, that's the game. We explained it.
All right.